ہاں جی اینڈ ویلکم بیک ٹو دی ہڈل. آج ذرا پینل جو ہے وہ تھوڑا ریڈیوس ہو گیا, کافی دو بوائز جو تھے وہ نہیں ہمارے ہاں لاسٹ ٹائم کے بعد وہ ویسے ڈیزرو کرتا تھا نکلنا. سو آج صرف 4 بوائز ہیں. ولید مسعود خان لیورپول فین جو کہ چیلسی کی شرٹ پہنا ہے.
Cursing them.
He lost a bet.
To who?
That's a joke.
Bad one. ابو بکر آغا چیلسی فین, مشتبہ خان مینچسٹر یونائٹڈ فین. اور آج ہم بات کرنے لگے ہیں, ویسے تو 2 ویڈیوز بیک ٹو بیک ہیں. فرسٹ آف آل وی گونا ٹاک اباؤٹ چیلسی, ان کا سیزن کیسا گیا. بکر بڑا خوش لگ رہا ہے, اسمائل کر رہا ہے. اور اس کے بعد پھر ہم بات کریں گے آرسنل کی, وہ علیحدہ ویڈیو ہوگی. سو اسٹے ٹیون فار دا سیکنڈ پارٹ. تو لیٹس اسٹارٹ آف وتھ چیلسی. ولید سے میں اسٹارٹ کروں گا, بکر کو اینڈ پہ لاتے ہیں اس کے اوپر.
اینڈ پہ لانا کیونکہ he would not stop.
تو
So what are we talking about? We're talking about their season in general, like کیا تھا, how it started.
Exactly, کیونکہ جب شروع میں فرینک لیمپارڈ تھا, سو
I think we should focus on the first 6 months.
ہاں پہلے شروع کرتے نا دسمبر تک کہ مطلب کیا تھا ان کا سیزن اور اب کیا ہو گیا.
Bro, I remember like when the season started, right? We all like the signings they made, they were ridiculous. Like ٹھیک ہے, we were all like this is the season for Chelsea, right?
200
and
million
then,
plus.
And we all even told, like I think Bakar tha or sab the, like we had this conversation where we felt like just top 4 with this team was not doing it right. Like the names,
last season it was an overachievement.
It was
اس season اگر وہ top 4 پہلے جو ہماری conversation ہوئی تھی, top 4 wasn't it second or first.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So I think we had that thing, and then wo bhi like the start he had was good, like because I remember Chelsea were up there, right? But then they fell off and there were troubles. Lampard wasn't using his players right, and we like mere liye na when I saw the difference in like Werner, theek hai, when Lampard was in charge and then when Tuchel came over and did what he did. So the way they've used Werner, the way they've used Havertz bro, especially
وہ جو لیمپارڈ کے اندر اور ٹوکل کے اندر اگر ڈفرینس دیکھو نا ایک پلیئر کا, so that's Havertz.
And the problem is na ki I feel like there's certain players where you have to use in certain systems to get the best out of them, and it's not a discredit to the player. Like it's like I can say ki Salah ka bhi, you know, like you have to use him a certain way to get the best Salah out. So Werner they were using him that way as well. They were you know, you can talk, by the way, you don't have to just sit there. He didn't banish you.
I want to really take in everything you're saying.
But remember, like we even had this conversation where Lampard was telling you he's not using it right, but then in Lampard's last game when he did get sacked, we had this conversation then as well. Yeah, then you were like, is this how it's supposed to be?
I understand,
and
but
I said that's exactly how you're supposed to use it.
You have a habit of just boxing players, you know, this has to be this position, that position. Werner under Lampard in the beginning was unstoppable.
Unstoppable, I would not go that far.
The 2 goals,
bro, listen,
the 2 goals against Southampton, you saw those, you saw.
Bro, listen, یہ پہلی بات یہ ہے کہ ورنر کا I'm not doubting him as a player. میں نہیں کہہ رہا, I literally had him in my ہماری ڈرافٹ کی جو ہو رہی تھی, I chose him first. ٹھیک ہے, because I knew کہ like goals لائے گا اس طرح کرے گا. What I didn't see coming was the chances that he's missing, right? And he's made it a habit sort of.
But you can't put missing chances on a manager.
Bro, that's not, وہ تو manager کی بات ادھر نہیں کر, وہ تو میں generally ورنر کے ساتھ ایڈ کر رہا تھا نا چیز. manager کا یہ تھا because Leipzig میں I remember how he used him, and Nigelsmann جو تھا, he had him playing in a 4-2-2 formation or in a 4-4-2 where he'd be the secondary striker and he'd be playing off the main man. ٹھیک ہے, like there'd be I forgot, I think Paulson tha. No, but
just because a player was successful in a system does not mean he's playing off the left for Germany too. He was pretty successful there too.
That's what I'm trying to say.
And again, like we like سب نے دماغ پہ ڈالا ہوا
یہ دونوں unstoppable.
Lampard's reign is undercredited so much. His first season I thought was very successful. Then the first half of his second reign was successful. He had a dip in between, and then the team came back again. They were conceding goals. Then they got a lot of.
Bro, we're talking about Lampard's season before he left. 2020 to 2021 season, Chelsea were underperforming and he was really bad. That's why he sacked him.
Lampard as a manager has had one blip and he got sacked in the one blip.
No, that's very harsh.
It's harsh. I'm not saying that in hindsight now the replacement wasn't justified, and Tuchel, obviously anyone knows Tuchel is a better and more experienced manager than Lampard, and Lampard's own inexperience worked against him. But a lot of our success now has not to do with that.
This inexperience that you talk about, don't you think yehi inexperience players pe bhi nazar aa raha tha, where he was forcing Havertz to play a role that Havertz has not played?
That's really unfair. That's really unfair. Havertz scored a hat-trick under Lampard.
And you know how he scored that? No, let me tell you.
Against who?
It was in the Carabao Cup.
against Barnsley.
no. Let me tell you how. Bro, let me add to that. Let
But
me
the
add to
point
that.
is,
Bro,
he had a
tactical-
lot of good games in
Listen,
there, and
bro,
yes, he moved players around. I
Bro,
understand.
let me tell you how he scored that hat trick as
Tomato
well.
marenge
Wo,
biggest
he was
podcast
playing
ko.
off the striker in that number 10 position where he should be, and at the time Abraham uske saath tha na, where Abraham got 3 assists. No, but my point is,
But that's not how Tuchel is playing him either.
Bro,
Tuchel is playing him basically as
in
a
a
false
4-3-3,
nine.
yeah, so that's-
In a 5-2-3.
in a 5-2-3 जो भी था, but 3 forwards है ना, where Havertz has that free role from the 3 to move around, because Havertz is the type of player he is. We've discussed this as well, that he's a space
I
investigator.
don't think it's
bro.
as simple as you're making
He's
it that one manager used him poorly, one didn't. He took time to adjust to the league as well. He had COVID in between when Lampard was manager. He got pretty
Bro,
sick for a
Lampard
while.
was
He lost
using
his
him as
fitness
an
for a
8
bit.
in a
Before-
4-3-3.
You know what?
Before
I
Havertz
could
got
summarize this in
COVID,
like 2 sentences.
before Havertz got COVID, he was pretty
Kabhi bhi
solid
nahi
before that for Lampard.
बोल लो अब क्या कहना चाह रहे हो.
Yeah, पहले 6 महीने shit थे. They spent $200 million on it, 200 million pounds, and also no other club invested that
After
same
2
amount
months-
of money.
After 2 months, we were
You know,
top of the
usually in a
league.
transfer market, everyone spends
क्या
like, you know, a
after 2
little
months की अगर league
No,
होती
लेकिन
तो
ये
तुम
जो
जीत
पूरे
जाते ना.
लैम्पार्ड के 6 महीने को बर्बाद किया हुआ है कि कुछ भी नहीं किया उसने, this is wrong, and even current
was
managers given him-
terrible.
He wasn't terrible.
The amount
Even
of-
the current managers
was he
given
not
credit.
terrible?
He had a perfect record in Champions League as well, by the way,
in the group
and
stages.
conceded like 3 goals.
You were out of the top 4, you were
Yeah.
8,
We had
you
a
were 9.
difficult group.
You're
That's like
discrediting-
Chelsea standards,
you're
you know.
discrediting your current manager.
Managers,
I'm
what he's
absolutely
done, bro,
not. Our
literally.
current managers also
Is
giving
also
Lampard
the-
credit.
You can't have
is
it
a way
both
better
ways.
manager than
Of
Lampard.
course, he's a way better
You
manager.
know
but
what
exactly
Lampard's
a
reign
bad
reminds
manager?
me of? Neville with Valencia. Like that's what it is.
No, I
It's
think
not
that's-
Neville with
that's-
Valencia.
bro, that's harsh,
He
though.
should be a pundit.
You're also completely overlooking Lampard's first season of Chelsea manager.
Yeah, yeah.
We
Last
aren't
season,
overlooking
where he
that, bro. We gave him
overachieved.
the credit. We just told you.
He's
we-
over. He's
We're
overlooking
only
it.
told him
outshined
that
him.
he's
He's
harsh.
comparing him
Only
with Gary
outshined him.
Neville.
मैंने सबसे पहले
said that's
बात ये
harsh.
की थी कि फर्स्ट सीजन जो था लैम्पार्ड का ही overachieved. सेकंड सीजन में
He
6
overachieved
months,
for 2 months out of
he
6.
he underachieved for the
Underachieved
next
as
season,
a
right?
whole 6 months, but that
हाँ, तो
doesn't
as a
mean
whole-
and the whole
Yeah.
season was a disaster.
तो फिर इस तरह तो वो अगर मैं
And
Arsenal की
let's
बात
not
करूं-
forget Mason Mount was Lampard was all Lampard.
Was all Lampard.
Mason Mount, Lampard
उसने
had him
तो
at
20 साल
Derby.
कोई मेहनत ही
Lampard
नहीं
had
की.
him at Derby. He brought him through. He gave him experience. Mason Mount's career has a lot
अच्छा
to do with
उसको
Frank
एक्सपीरियंस दे
Lampard.
दिया खुद नहीं
बाकियों
लिया
को
उसने एक्सपीरियंस हुई
It doesn't
क्या
matter.
एक सेकंड वैसे
नहीं,
लैम्पार्ड की
एक second,
achievements
अगर
is not
अगर
Lampard's
आप
job to
अगर
make
आप
him
डर्बी के
score
मैनेजर
goals.
हो, आप चेल्सी लेजेंड हो, ठीक है, आप डर्बी के मैनेजर हो, आपको चेल्सी से कॉल आती है, आप क्या बोलोगे? मैं नहीं आ रहा, क्योंकि
नहीं
एक्सपीरियंस
आएगा
चाहिए.
डेफिनेटली आएगा मैंने उस पे वो
You're going to take it, right?
No, but
you have to take it. It's not his fault.
100% you have to take it. I'm just saying that Lampard was not the right fit and is not a good manager.
This is where you're missing
To
out
manage
again.
at the top level.
This is the problem again. What happened was when we signed Lampard, we had a transfer ban. And we had sold our best player at the same
I
time.
said they overachieved.
Yeah, but that's the point. No one else would have taken the job. Lampard and Chelsea was a marriage of convenience.
Bro,
And
we're
what
not.
hap-
Listen,
and
by the
what
way,
hap-
we're not
So
putting
you're
Lampard
saying he
in
was
the mud.
poor and he was the only option.
No,
That's
but
why
we're
you
not,
picked him.
bro. We're not putting Lampard
So
in
you're
the mud
agreeing
here.
that he's poor.
Bro, ignore him.
course he's
Ignore him
not.
for 1
Of
minute.
course he's not.
He's just
An
winding
elite
you up.
manager. No one knew what he was.
Bro, he's just
All we
winding you
knew
up.
was
ठीक
he
है?
had-
He's just winding you up. The point we're trying to make is we're not मतलब हम discredit नहीं कर रहे Lampard को, whatever he's done first season में completely 100%. But in the second season where you had to show up because it's about time you bought all these players in, and ठीक है, it was harsh to like just throw him off, but you were 9th or 8th, 9th
Yeah,
है ना?
I-
You were way off the top 4 spot.
I agree. We were
And listen,
having a
and you
poor
weren't
run.
even you weren't even in contention of actually competing in the Champions League. When you have to like you can go far or something.
Yeah,
And
but you can't
Tuchel
decide
has showed-
that off of 5 or 6 months. Because the first
Bro,
2-3
we're not
months were
deciding it. Your
excellent.
own
Yeah.
owner did that.
Of
We're
course
just
they do.
we're just telling you what we see, and what we saw was all this.
I don't understand
ठीक
what your
है?
point is. Your point
What
is to tell
happened?
me, oh, Lampard sucks as a manager, because that's not true.
We're not
What's the
telling
point?
you that. We're
We're just saying it.
Lampard wasn't doing a good job. ठीक है? He wasn't, right? You agree to that?
In the moment he got sacked,
he
he wasn't doing a good
Whose
job.
fault is that? We didn't want him sacked.
Yeah, there's some
bro,
managers-
if it was for me,
If it was-
I
it was
still
for us,
think,
right? We would have kept him there.
I
We're like,
still
"Keep
think-
I
him
would have been
shit."
happy with Lampard at Chelsea, man.
No, this
Yeah,
is
there are some
Lampard would
managers
not
who are
have
destined to be, training at the top, and then there are managers like Sam Allardyce, Lampard,
Lampard would not
who
have
deserve
ended up-
championship choice. They should be there. He should go back to Derby.
He would not have ended up like Arteta. He is a much more capable manager and is far
We'll
better.
talk about
Actually,
Arteta.
एक सेकंड we'll talk about Arteta, लेकिन वो मैं तुम्हें रिमाइंड करवा दूं کہ جب لیمپارڈ سیک ہوا تھا تو چیلسی کس پوزیشن پہ تھی اور آرسنل کس پوزیشن پہ تھی. آرٹیٹا واز ابو لیمپارڈ. آرٹیٹا ہیڈ بیٹن لیمپارڈ ان دی ایف اے کپ فائنل. تو یہ چیز بیچ میں نہیں, I don't rate Arteta. I want him gone from my club.
You saw what happened to Arteta long term.
I want him gone from my club. وہ اس کی نیکسٹ ویڈیو میں بات
کریں گے. Where did Arsenal finish last season, by the way?
آرٹیٹا کب آیا تھا, اس کے بعد امپروومنٹ تھی یا نہیں تھی؟ میں کہہ رہا ہوں آرسنل کی بات میں بات کریں گے. ابھی لیمپارڈ پہ آؤ اور ٹوکل پہ آؤ, تم ڈیفلیکٹ نہ کرو.
Lampard کی بات, we made our point Lampard. Let's move on to the new manager.
No, the new manager, yeah. So when he came in,
the main important.
Bro, how good was he? ٹھیک ہے, first of all, he knew all the players. By the way, like you were the only one جو میں respect کرتا ہوں, where you see like تم تو مجھے ہر بار اٹیک کر رہے ہو تو کہ پلیئر تم ادھر رکھتے ہو. میں تم سے زیادہ پلیئر کو وہ ریٹ کرتا ہوں, and I told you کہ Marcus Alonso can be used and how good he is. And
I always agree.
And your other Chelsea players, تو کتنا impact.
You know where I stand on them anyway.
Yeah, man. But how good?
They don't know نا, بتاؤ
crowd کو بتاؤ.
So I'm not gonna rat my other Chelsea fans out, but one of the things that I perhaps, if I have to criticize Lampard on something, was that we heard a lot of rumors about falling out with Marcos Alonso and
Rudiger.
And I was getting there. If you let me finish. And Rudiger.
And Tomori.
And
Tomori, man.
There was no falling out with Tomori. Lampard's the one who brought Tomori to. Anyway, yaar.
No, but don't you think it's a crime to even rate Tomori lower than Christensen? Christensen's ko rakh diya, Tomori ko bhej diya.
I think they're both great players, so that's another debate.
I think Christensen is.
Let me finish my thought, Malik.
Who's the better player?
Christensen.
Oh, come on, man.
Tomori has to prove a lot before. Like Christensen went to Germany, was
never mind, carry on.
The team he played for. Tomori has a lot to do before you could just be like, oh, he's just better because he had a great season at Derby and scored a wonder goal last season. I thought you looked at players.
Chelsea jab wo khel raha.
I thought he's Milan's best defender. Or is he not?
Or jo Christensen ne
one of their best, right?
Christensen Leverkusen gaya tha, kidhar gaya tha? جہاں بھی گیا تھا لون پہ, he was player of the season for them. So you can't ignore all that and be like, oh,
player of the season کی بات نہ کرو. جب ہم نے Kolasinac free میں اٹھایا تھا نا Schalke, he was in the Bundesliga team of the season and Schalke's player of the season.
There's a reason where he came from.
Kolasinac is one of your best players, I feel like, in he really was.
Bro, any Arsenal fan will tell you that Kolasinac is horrible.
Yeah, but you have to rate a horrible in a sea of
horrible. Let's not talk about Arsenal.
You have a terrible fan base. You have a terrible stadium. You have a terrible manager. You have a terrible team. Yeah, your stadium
is better than Chelsea.
No, but let's be honest, guys. Arsenal charged the highest.
یہ تو کون سی
Chelsea کی بات ہے.
تم کیسا چنا لاؤ بیچ میں پھر, ٹھیک ہے.
No, but how Tuchel use? Let's go to how Tuchel used like all these players that were apparently rejects.
I was trying to finish my thought. So when it comes to Marcos Alonso and Rudiger, we heard a couple of rumors. I don't know if they were true or not. Marcos Alonso leaving on a team bus, Rudiger having a fallout, but the way these players were used and they were brought back and the way they have performed, you have to question Lampard's decisions and you have to give Tuchel credit because these players.
That's what I wanted.
And tactically using certain players to their strengths.
That's what I wanted.
And tactically using certain players in your current squad to their strengths.
Exactly. So Marcos Alonso is a player that plays very poorly in the back four and is almost an elite player.
And gets the protection in the back.
Stop finishing my sentences.
Yeah. No, I want you to put that there. Because we're going to get to Christensen. We're going to get to Christensen and I want that back three there with Christensen.
We will get to Christensen. But the point is that you have to sometimes, like, I think Lampard was sort of forcing a 4-3-3 to work where I don't think it was suiting Kante. It wasn't suiting Havertz or Werner. It was not suiting anyone. Our fullbacks either.
Except probably Reece James.
Yeah, Reece James. And the thing was,
he's a baller.
Lampard used 3 back last season a lot and would mix it up. I think he used it against Arsenal too when we came back when Tammy Abraham scored a goal at the Emirates. So it was strange why he was persisting with this, almost trying to find some consistency on purpose. But the way Tuchel came and he's stayed consistent with the formation, we've hardly conceded any goals. And you couldn't possibly do better in the time he's come. We were in 2 competitions. We were in final both competitions. We were 9th. Now we're 3rd.
Massive improvement.
Bro, the jump, and on top of that, he's made you a force to be reckoned with. Like literally, when you look at Chelsea now, pehle to you'd be like, we can sneak something there. We can, get a result here and there. But now you're literally like you're so compact at the back. And one of your main strengths, I feel, is how he plays Like the only weakness I see now in Tuchel's game plan, like just generally from my eyes, like every plan has a flaw, right? Like Pep ka people say you have to counter, and it's true, like you have to counter Pep in his style. Tuchel ka mujhe ye hai ki once your side goes back, right, like a goal early, like when the team scores on you, so you tend to like open up more. Your players tend to take risks more, and that's where I feel you can get Chelsea. That's the final mein, like generally mera jo hai na City, like they really have to take the lead there to get the best out of.
Actually, best example वो West Brom वाला.
ये भी है how you guys opened up to every goal, like you were just.
But we were also man down against West
No,
Brom.
but even other
नहीं वो example में दे रहा हूँ.
Example वैसे दे रहा था
open
कि
up.
there's just
if
been
you
one
go-
incident.
ठीक है, मतलब it's very true. We also haven't seen much now because of how many clean sheets we've taken. We actually haven't. This team hasn't been tested
Test उस
in
तरह
that
से,
sense
yeah.
either. But
और
so far
वैसे
everything
इतना
else.
defensive ना हुआ करो.
हम
बुराई
general
नहीं
बात
कर रहे
करें,
Chelsea
हाँ,
के.
literally all praise.
If
bro.
you guys are watching the huddle for the first time, a lot of history here, a lot of animosity between fans. So I
वो
take things a
WhatsApp पे
bit more.
पता नहीं किस तरह क्या ट्रांसलेट हो जाती है, वो बाद में भी बात करेंगे क्योंकि नेक्स्ट वीडियो जो है उसमें काफी लड़ाई होने वाली है.
But if when Lampard got sacked, I think it was December, was it? Beginning of December.
No, January, mid-January था.
Mid-January, and if that moment you told me that we'd be in a Champions League final, an FA Cup final, beat City twice, third in the league, I don't think anybody would
You'd
have
have
believed
slapped
that.
me, bro.
I would have slapped you
but,
anyway.
no, but
But he's also one thing he did. I think that's how he got the trust of the players. Is in the first 3 or 4 weeks, he used every player. He almost played 2 separate teams in the first 2 games. He's given Giroud a chance. He's put Abraham in the team. He's played Hudson-Odoi at right wing back. He's played up front. He's played Reece James. He's played Azpilicueta. No one's been frozen out. He's played Billy Gilmore. So this creates trust within the players, and I think a lot of players, you could tell, did not feel like Lampard gave them a fair shot, or maybe they had a fair shot last season and didn't get the reward for this season. And so I feel like Tuchel deserves a lot of praise for that.
But bro, do you then believe us how when we all were saying that Lampard underachieve karega with this squad? Let me just finish up. Okay, underachieve karega thoda sa if he doesn't, if it's just like top 4, like because this squad is good enough. It's not just top 4, and you saw what Tuchel's done. So don't.
No, but see, that's different.
'Cause that's the difference between
I
a-
would say
but that's
Tuchel's
the difference between a-
overachieving right now because like.
Bro, but that's the difference between a world-class manager and then a manager you're just waiting for. That's my point.
No,
Ab Arsenal ki video pe aayega na, we'll say the same thing there
but
as well.
think-
Ki like waiting for something.
I'm not sure I agree with that because it's not always about quality. It's also about experience sometimes. And like just say it as a team signed 7 players. Most of them are very young. To say just because these players have pedigree based off of their potential, we should finish first or second, I think is unfair. Lampard.
But it's a perfect mix.
You did
It's-
predict
it's a perfect-
second.
It's a perfect mix,
Chelsea.
bro.
I predicted
He
second. I predicted
Second.
first a bit.
First, yes, you
facetiously,
did. So yeah,
Lampard can do first.
Lampard
That's
can do
first.
But I'll always do that as a Chelsea fan. I mean, you always hope for the best. You enter every competition, you hope to win it. But I think with this squad, we can challenge seriously on all fronts next season. And a special shout out to the goalkeeper. Thank you, Petr Cech, for finding Edouard Mendy, who's been a revelation.
दंगर है यार वो
And
बंदा.
also
Dangar
Thiago
hai, but he
Silva,
has
who a lot of people, especially a couple of people watching, were one of some of our friends. Thiago Silva, people
Name
said he was
drop karo
past
na.
it.
Name drop kare
Name
yaar,
drop
maza
karo.
aata hai name drop
We
karo.
signed Thiago
Name
Silva from Paris after he had one of his best games, even though he's 36. So sometimes, forget how old a player is, see how they're performing. And Thiago Silva has been a standout player for us this season.
अच्छा किसने बोला था? Who was again?
Behram Kazi,
Oh,
if you're watching.
oh shit.
I'm going to take names.
Oh snap.
I won't take names, but I'm
But Behram Kazi नाम नहीं है वैसे.
अच्छा तो what are your expectations के क्या final FA Cup final में Champions League final में
अच्छा,
unbiased
unbiased ही रहेगा यार. मतलब when we did the Champions League semi-final preview, I gave my prediction based off of what I saw in the first leg, which was quite a lot of domination at Madrid's ground despite their experience and pedigree. So I said we would win, and we did.
Yeah,
Final
congratulations.
is a
by the
different.
way.
Thank you very
On
much.
that was a great
The
performance.
That was a
Champions
good
League final
performance.
is a
Mushkil
first of all,
se kehna
FA
pad
Cup
raha,
final against Leicester. I think we're heavy favorites. I think we'll get through in that easily. Champions League final, different animal, maybe against the best team in Europe right now, who have a lot. I think it's a much bigger game for them than us. We have almost nothing to lose. They have never won this competition. Their entire project has been leading up to this moment. Also, it's very important for the manager who hasn't won the Champions League in how many years? Almost
12? No, 10.
So
10.
if you're that
20,
big a manager,
21.
you expect to win the Champions League in 12 years. So their favorites. They have a lot of. I feel like they have a lot of pressure on them, and I feel like it suits us to be underdogs in this, and I also feel like playing City suits us because the way we line up, we almost make teams mimic our formation, come at us, and that's where I think Chelsea are very dangerous. So I'm going to say we're going to win it 1-0.
Khan, what's your prediction for
Champions League?
final?
1-0 City.
1-0 City. Your prediction?
यार पहली बात तो ये है ना कि
ये बोला कि मुझसे
last
predictions
time-
नहीं होती.
नहीं लास्ट टाइम जो प्रिडिक्ट किया था सेमीफाइनल मैड्रिड का और चेल्सी का, चेल्सी बॉयज़ बड़े खफा हुए थे कि सब ने पैनल पे वो किया है. वी डिड अ होल, एवरीवन वाज अगेंस्ट चेल्सी एक्सेप्ट द चेल्सी फैन. सो आई जस्ट लाइक टू से दैट
इस दफा भी
we like to apologize for absolutely nothing. We don't care, bro. We want Chelsea to win.
He's been practicing this line all day.
No,
for
but
this
नहीं,
episode.
कसम से यार. Anyways, नहीं, seriously, like genuine bias तो हर prediction में होती है ना. And I don't want like start में I've told you I wanted once Liverpool got out, I wanted PSG and City to win. Be it whoever जो भी और फिर आए. तो वही यार, like PSG निकली, City अब like I want City to win. I think they'll win 2-1. It'll be a good final.
मेरी exactly prediction
अच्छा,
थी
हाँ.
2-1. I feel के शायद एक्स्ट्रा टाइम तक चला जाइए मैच.
Yeah.
है पोटेंशियल है एक्स्ट्रा टाइम में जाने की.
It's not going to, guys. It's going to be Chelsea
But-
win. I
नहीं,
feel
क्या
like Tuchel,
prediction है ना?
But by the way,
Tuchel is in Pep's head.
By the way, नहीं, Pep का ये जो recent match भी था ना, if you noticed Sadi, how he played back three, like he played the same formation to just playing to like counter and let's see what's up. Basically Pep के लिए tinkering match था.
Yeah.
So I feel like I hope he doesn't overthink it. I don't think he will. I think four.
He shouldn't.
But yeah, like I think this back three line failed completely. Like
नहीं.
मुझे नहीं पसंद आया.
He should stick to his
हाँ,
guns.
exactly.
But it's brave, you know, when a team lines up with back three, more often than not, managers end up mimicking it because then it creates an overload.
Exactly, you
हाँ.
can't do that. हाँ.
अच्छा हाँ, तुम next season की बात कर रहे थे.
Now, the prediction आगे सबकी. Next season, I think it's going to be really interesting for Chelsea because we have 8 players who can fill 3 positions up front. If we continue with this formation, I think we will. So we'll have to cut some out. I think Giroud and Abraham will both be exiting. Callum Hudson-Odoi could be exiting. I don't know. It'll be tough to keep him how much game time he's getting because we can't get rid of Ziyech. We can't get rid of Havertz. Werner.
Do you think they should have gotten rid of him जब Munich was after him?
Hudson-Odoi?
हाँ.
Absolutely not. I think he's
नहीं,
an excellent.
अगर आप वो बेच देते हैं.
मैं तो अभी भी नहीं चाह रहा बेचे.
हाँ नहीं,
मुझे
तुम
बस
चाह
लग-
नहीं रहे, लेकिन तुमने कहा है ना कि he can leave.
Well,
If he does leave,
Yeah.
do you think this is the right time या पहले बेच देना चाहिए था?
It
क्योंकि
doesn't
मुझे
matter.
लगता
The
है
value would be the same.
नहीं, I don't think so.
I think it will.
I don't think so. पहले 35 million.
Yeah,
offer
because
करेंगे
देखो,
Munich.
we're not in any rush, or we don't need to sign anybody.
हाँ, you don't
जब
need
जब
to
आप
sell.
जब आप extort करे होते हैं ना पैसे, फिर ये problem होती है. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, Chelsea has players to sell. They have money to burn as well. So it'll be interesting to see where Tuchel adds and strengthens the squad because we're pretty balanced now. And I don't think I can think of an exact spot where we need to strengthen. Maybe central midfield because we basically have 3 players there. Mount, Jorginho, Kovacic. Gilmore's a bit young, so we might need strength there. Otherwise, I think Chelsea's pretty set.
हाँ, कोई.
But bro, player-wise भी देखो ना, I think Sadi's right, like you should have just sold him, man. Like for player development, like you've just literally allowed him to.
नहीं, फिर
Straight
क्लब का ये तो नहीं होता ना कि we can let him go कि ये develop कर सके कहीं और.
हाँ.
From Chelsea's
नहीं,
perspective.
वो तो सही था फिर. हाँ, वो तो अच्छा
From
किया,
Chelsea's
रख लिया,
perspective, it was all right. लेकिन मैं जो बात कर रहा था, मैं ये कह रहा था कि from a monetary
Yeah.
point of view, उसकी value शायद थोड़ी सी गिर गई हो अब.
हाँ, yeah.
क्योंकि वो he hasn't got
He hasn't been playing as
हाँ,
well
exactly.
a lot, man. That's the thing.
हाँ, signings मुझे नहीं लगता वैसे Chelsea है, Abramovich है,
No, I
करेगा
think
तो सही है.
I think they
एक
want
आधा
a
तो
striker.
करेगा.
No, they want a
Striker तो
striker.
लेंगे.
Chelsea-
They're getting Giroud out, right? So you're gonna get a striker of that sort.
Tammy
Yeah,
भी
'cause
चला
we've
गया.
been-
शायद Tammy's leaving for. By the Tammy के भी West Ham के साथ काफी links थे. He's leaving as well. They're
He
definitely
might
getting
go
a
back to
striker.
Villa. He has passed Villa as well. He might go there. But I think
Watkins की जगह मुझे नहीं लगता वो लेंगे.
I think at least 2 big signings will be coming Chelsea. There's money to burn there. For a while, we kept under cover for
Bro,
a bit.
you've always had money to burn.
No,
ये
but
क्या
we
बात है?
became
transfer ban
we
लग गया
became
तो
नहीं,
उसको
transfer ban
आगे
नहीं, we became conservative in between where we were balancing books with financial fair play. But
You have
after
no balance.
we
books.
do, we've always balanced books. Our owner isn't like these American owners of these clubs that extort fans.
सिर्फ मेरी तरफ क्यों point किया तीनों के.
I hate him, man.
सारे वैसे देखो सारे इधर बैठे हैं सुपर लीग के मालिक तीनों. Yeah.
کیا مطلب
No.
Why
Chelsea
are
was
you
one of the
putting
last
like-
teams to go on board because we don't have American
تھے تو
owners.
صحیح نا اس کے.
Yeah, but
Bruce
whatever,
Buck.
dude. That was Bruce Buck, not Abramovich.
So his prediction for next season was what, like?
I think next season we're going for all competitions. We're going to be competitive in all of
Everyone's
them.
going for all.
No, but if Chelsea have the squad depth, bro. Like they have the second.
They
In
have
my
the
eyes,
squad
right?
depth,
They have
yeah.
the second best squad depth in the league, even right now.
ہاں.
Who was the first?
It was City.
Okay.
You can't compete
I was
with
making
City.
sure you're not saying Liverpool.
نہیں لیورپول
Bro,
کا کہاں squad ہے
that's
یار.
my biggest complaint for
They've
Liverpool.
got good starting
First 11,
اس کے
and you've
علاوہ.
seen what we are without the first 11.
So you think کہ کیا finish کہاں کرے گی next season?
I think we're going to finish first. I think after all this, if we finish third, if we continue the same trajectory,
With the
I
same
don't
world-class
see
manager.
United challenging us. I don't see Arsenal challenging.
Arsenal
Sorry,
کہاں سے
couldn't
آ
get
گئی؟
through that sentence.
Arsenal
I
کہاں
don't
سے آ
see.
گئی؟
They could fairly be
یہ
11th.
تم بار بار point مارے ہو. I've been a good host. میں نے کوئی
اچھا
Chelsea
ٹھیک ہے
کی رول ہی نہیں ہے.
ٹھیک ہے. I have to see what happens with Liverpool's defense situation, and I don't think Liverpool are going to keep their front three intact, so I don't see them challenging
Yeah,
us.
Salah goes there.
What do you mean front three intact nahi hoga challenge?
Salah.
Bobby to
I think Salah's
Bro,
going to
whoever we take out, we're getting
Paris,
either
and I think
Mbappe
Firmino is going to get sold.
You're not getting Mbappe.
or Sancho. Pher kya
You're
karoge?
not-
Jadon Sancho. Pher?
Don't even know what to say.
You need
You're
the
not
goals.
getting Mbappe, bro.
No, but if we're selling someone, obviously we're getting someone of world-class
When was
caliber.
the last
Then,
time
so
we
you
did
should be
that? When
afraid.
was the last time we did that?
Like last season, Thiago.
Thiago.
We're changing.
I rest my case.
Bro, whatever happens, I think next season we can say, like, we always say this, but I think next season is actually going to be
That's
the
fine.
one of the best
Why?
seasons.
Based off of
Because
what?
like Chelsea, because like City, Chelsea, Liverpool,
Liverpool
and then
ko chhod do yaar. Liverpool are
what are you
done.
talking about, bro? Come on, you can't rate this blip as a. Okay, we'll talk
It's
about
not a
this.
blip, it's a whole season.
But we'll see.
It's a blip of a season, bro. Come on. Anyways,
can't say
and also, bro, listen. Abhi dekho na, Chelsea hai, City hai, pakke. Liverpool bhi hai udhar, and United are as well there. Like I think like, next
United
season.
depends on the kind of signings that.
No,
we do.
bro, United. You guys.
No, we're
are
good.
Still
Like,
there.
but the thing is that if Pogba leaves, so there's big problem.
not
Cavani
gonna leave.
stays.
United کی بات کریں گے نا ہم
Oh,
next
yeah,
video
we'll
میں.
talk about
So,
that later. Yeah.
Okay, I'm just going to address this.
Yeah.
Kante has been our best player this season.
Mount, bro.
Mount is a
Mount
close second. Very close second, but
First,
Kante
man.
Kante has
Kante
been
under Tuchel.
Kante is generally our best player.
Yeah.
Generally, but he's had I think he's had the best season of anybody. Mount has been incredible. He's been our second best player, and I think our third and fourth best players have been Silva and Mendy. But I think Tuchel has done almost the impossible, and what he's done is he's made the Chelsea fans like Jorginho. I've liked him myself, by the way, but the most
This
hardcore
again.
Chelsea fans in the stadium were flicking Jorginho off under Sarri. And it did not get much better after that, but with Tuchel, I think Jorginho has been an amazing presence in midfield.
Yeah, I don't think any player has been bad under Tuchel. مجھے نہیں کوئی.
Yeah, I agree.
Everyone's have performed very well under Tuchel. تو خیر مجھے لگتا ہے کافی ہو گئی چلسی کی بات.